To the respected collectors and all other revenue officials, panchayat officials, pollution control board officials are requested to take appropriate action on my humble this submission on fraudulent transactions going on in the district level, mostly the concerned registration officers on that fraudulent transactions in supporting getting from the revenue department and panchayat may be stopped at least at this level is requested. This is Dudukuru Sundara Ramaya, Mutukuru resident and Nellore district, Andhra Pradesh, submits that the Department of Registration is almost on the fraudulent transactions in doing the registration. A common man, or rather a middleman, or the richest man, whoever may be so, to have properties registration under the affection of natural affection of his family. The registrations are taking place, but here the fraudulent transactions developed are rather supported from the revenue department and the panchayat department are hampering the natural affection of the people who are coming for the registrations. In this aspect, I have been reporting and fighting from the 2011 year onwards. The subject matter is reported to the revenue departments and panchayat departments and to the concerned registration office officials. But the action is still not reached the justification. The justification is necessary on the effect on fraudulent transactions and the effect on resulting in natural affection. That particular aspect is requested and repeatedly expressed by so many ways and means in giving several complaints. In this particular aspect, it is extended to the level of swallowing the government properties and the weaker section properties and the SAST schemes properties, houses, all that. It's swallowed. The subject matter is reported and reported to the paper and reported to the media and so many other aspects and several complaints and several representations given to the registration office and as well as to the government, revenue officials. So they have not stopped even after receiving my representations. They have continued and it is getting continued, and the result in recent one of this Kovuru sub-registrar aspects, the DM and HO, the DIG, or so many other people just said that it is just they came to know. But what about the complaints given by me from 2011 onwards and the matter reported to the court from 2011 onwards has been just say that nothing is noticed, or rather some sort of minor thing they say that it is nothing. Anyhow, my humble submission is this: the aspect of Mutukuru sub-registrar, code number, register office, code number 909, on that subject matter, I have given 649 plus 1 on my hand still, that particular aspect of fraudulent transactions, how they did it. So, in total, 650 matters are there. In that, the high level officials are involved in this, and the department, no one is taking care of it. The particular aspect, how the revenue department is keeping silence on the fraudulent transactions and swallowing the government money. The crores of rupees, several lakhs crores of rupees, the government money is swallowed by the gangsters or the supporters or the some sort of middlemen, and so many people of involved in political line of activity. So hiding the fact of the political people in this is not a correct thing, that their involvement is also there, because the certificate that the plots distribution and other these things are not in the correct way. Just like that, binomy transactions are going on, and so many things, so many details I have submitted to the registration office, but as on date there is no action. Okay, the subject keep aware that the panchayat department is supporting directly, and as well as the tahsildar revenue department is supporting directly. They certify the certificates. That certificates only they are using it as a document, linked document, and they are registering it. This also I explained. And the survey number, suppose for example 100, the moment the survey number they write on the document and computerize, it comes red light, so that they put /1, then the red light won't come up. Automatically they are registering it. This way they cooperating. Registration department is cooperating, and panchayat department is giving the certificates, and tahsildar department also, tahsildar revenue department is also giving the certificates. This particular aspect has been explained, and there is no action as on date. Still, if something goes wrong, all of a sudden this thing, because of no other go, they are taking a simple action on that. That action is also not sufficient, and it is to be acted as per the act, as per the sections. The severe imprisonment of 7 years is necessary, so that at least one punishment starts in district level. Automatically the other aspects, other sub-registrar's office will be away to these particular fraudulent transactions. In the district level, it is in the top, Nellore district, in registering the fraudulent documents. Respectfully, I submit a small other these things, that this groundwater department has pointed out that industries and power plant, whoever may be so, is coming and digging the groundwater. It's quite wrong, and it is to be dismantled. This is all against the government orders, and there is no any sort of government orders or otherwise. They explained it and given to the collector and to the tahsildar. As on date, no action.